One message goes to the amygdala and the emotion is aroused, and the other message goes to the brain where the thinking goes on, and then you begin to change the way. And now they are talking about this, so it's very important to understand that the Buddha has gone even beyond this end. If we see the first verse in the Dhammapada, there in the first verse in the Dhammapada, what you get is Manopubbaṅgamā dhamma, which is wrongly translated today. There, Mano means that thinking part. I told you there are two things, the thinking part and the emotional part, which is called Chitta. Manopubbaṅgamā means the thinking part comes first, before the emotional part. So it is by changing the thinking part, which is what is called the cognitive part, that the affective can be controlled. So it is the thinking part that is able to control. And that is the real secret discovered in the modern world by the cognitive psychologists. They are using that in what is called cognitive psychotherapy. They are using that principle, but still they are not able to fully control the emotions because they don't know about meditation. And but the Buddha used this method, and that is what we are using in this book. If you read this book, here the Buddha is, I am talking about this, that what is called the 7 steps to awakening, Satta Bojjhanga. The Satta Bojjhanga is really using that same principle, and that is how the emotions are completely eliminated. And that elimination of the emotion, this is not understood by all the modern meditators who talk about Vipassana, Bhavana and all that. They are unaware of this. This is why this message that I am talking about is a very important message, that this has to be conveyed to the world. And that is how our friend is now prepared to do these things, that we will be able to somehow convey this message to the world, that the Buddha, how he eliminated all emotions, Lobha, Dosa and Moha, lust, hate and delusion, completely eradicated. He was able to do this because of this Satta Bojjhanga, based on the principle that you get in the first verse in the Dhammapada. And that is very important to understand this, and that is how we are able to get rid of these emotions completely. And so you can learn this meditation and begin to ultimately somehow reach some stage, even if you can't reach that stage in this life. Even in a future life you might be able to. The important thing is to learn this properly and practice it.